So much of hard work, sleepless nights.
Time management, coordination, teamwork.
It's not just one or two. It's been a lot of things what we have learned from it.
There was so much innovation, so much creativity. People went out of the box.
This was something different. This was something mega.
Feeling very much proud. Today, her dream come true.
Proud to be part of a place that truly appreciates young talents and their passion.
We are really grateful for the mentors the Hamstech has given us.
They've amalgamated all the departments into one.
They are ready to help you anytime and they've got crazy creative minds.
It was the best experience of our life.
Hamstech is doing a phenomenal job.
See, opportunities like this are absolutely the turning point for every person's career.
This is what gives a platform and a voice to the student.
To what they are seeking as their dream.
So it's no more a school of fashion, it's a school of skill.
It is not only an institute today, it's an aspiration and a dream to be at.
This format is here to stay. Creative education will really shine, and all my creative students will also shine.